In a quiet little forest, under a sky full of stars, lived a friendly owl named Offie. Offie loved the night, especially campfire nights. One cool, crisp autumn night, Offie decided to have a campfire party with his forest friends. He invited all the woodland creatures he knew, from the shy squirrels to the noisy raccoons, and even the grumpy old bear. The day arrived, and Offie prepared a warm campfire. He gathered wood, lit a spark, and made the fire roar. The forest creatures gathered around, eager to enjoy the cozy warmth. "Welcome, my friends," called Offie, his feathers fluttering in the cool night air. "Tonight we will share stories, sing songs, and enjoy a delicious feast." The squirrels gathered nuts and berries, the raccoons brought fresh fruits, and the old bear brought honey. Offie even found some marshmallows for a special treat. They sat around the campfire, listening to Offie's stories of adventure and magic. The raccoons couldn't help but giggle at the funny tales, while the squirrels listened with wide-eyed wonder. As the night grew darker, they sang songs about the stars, the moon, and the beautiful forest. They laughed and danced, forgetting all about their worries and fears. The old bear, who was usually grumpy, found himself smiling and enjoying the night. He even shared a soft, heartwarming story about his past. The forest creatures listened with rapt attention. Finally, it was time for the marshmallows. Offie roasted them over the fire, and they enjoyed the sweet, gooey treats. The night had turned into a magical memory they would never forget. As the first light of dawn appeared, Offie thanked everyone for coming. Until next time, my friends. Let us always remember the magic of a cozy campfire night. And so, the forest creatures returned to their homes, their hearts filled with warmth and joy. They knew that no matter what, they could always find friendship and magic under the stars, around a cozy campfire with Offie.